I want to tell you about two patients, both on hormone replacement therapy, both doing everything they were told to do. The first patient comes in feeling energized, clear-headed, sleeping well, libido restored, losing fat, building muscle. She looks at me and says, "Dr. Ergin, this changed my life." Well, the second one comes in exhausted, still symptomatic, frustrated, obviously, right? Same hormones, same dosing on paper, but completely different results. So what was the difference, right? Pharmacy. I'm Dr. Ahmet Ergin at Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast. And today, I want to talk to you about something most hormone doctors never explain to their patients. And it might be the single most important factor determining whether your HRT cream actually works. Now, when it comes to hormone replacement therapy, compounded bioidentical ones, whether you are a woman navigating through perimenopause or menopause, or a man dealing with low testosterone, declining energy, or hormonal imbalances, the conversation almost always focuses on which hormones, what dose, what delivery method, but almost nobody talks about where those hormones are made. Bioidentical hormones, right? The kind we use at our clinic that cannot be mass manufactured by a commercial pharmaceutical company, the way a blood pressure pill can be done, right? So every patient is obviously different. So, for example, a 52-year-old woman, right, going through menopause needs a specific ratio of estradiol to progesterone based on her labs, her symptoms, her history. A 45-year-old man with low testosterone needs also a precise dose calibrated to his body weight, his baseline labs, his lifestyle, and so forth. Now, that customization is only possible through a compounding pharmacy. But here is what most people don't realize. Not all compounding pharmacies are the same, not even close. I'm not saying they're bad, but they all use different base, different manufacturer. So quality at the compounding pharmacy and consistency comes down to three things, right? Purity, potency, but most importantly, consistency. If it is coming from a pharmacy, it better be pure, right? And potency should be there in most cases if they are doing it right. But the purity means that the hormone you're getting contains exactly what it says and nothing else. No fillers that interfere with the absorption, no contaminants, no shortcuts in the manufacturing process. A lot of times, people try to go to pharmacies that will give them the best price. Well, since these are not standardized, if they're giving you best price, they're probably cutting corners and not giving the highest quality ingredients. And potency means the dose in your cream, capsule, or injection is accurate. If your prescription says 200 milligram of progesterone, it needs to actually be 200 milligram, not 160, not 240, right? Inconsistent potency is one of the most common reasons patients plateau or regress on HRT, and is almost never caught because nobody thinks to question the pharmacy. And the consistency means that every single refill and every single month is identical to the last. Very important, because your body is finally finding its rhythm, right? Your levels are stabilizing, your symptoms are resolving, and then a new batch comes in with slightly different potency, slightly different absorption, and suddenly you feel like you're starting all over again. Well, this is not a hypothetical scenario. I see it happen regularly with patients who come to us after being on HRT. If they switch pharmacies, they get into trouble. At Diabetes, Thyroid, and Hormone Center of the Treasure Coast here, we do not work with just any compounding pharmacy, even if you ask for it, because we don't know them. We partner exclusively with accredited compounding pharmacies that meet our standards and pharmaceutical standards. Accreditation, third-party testing, verified sterility for injectables especially. But documented potency on every batch is very important. We monitor your labs consistently. We adjust your protocol based on real data, not just guesswork. And every refill you receive meets the same standard as the first one, because your hormones control everything. Your energy, your weight, your mood, your sleep, your cardiovascular health, your bone density, your quality of life. Well, you deserve more than a prescription. You deserve precision. If you're on HRT and you're not feeling the results, you were promised that it was going to work, but it didn't, come talk to us. The pharmacy matters more than you think. And I'm Dr. Ahmet Ergin. I'll see you in the next video or at our clinic at DTHTC.